Unlike a sort of traditional shed, these are really highly engineered buildings, and what they require is a perfectly flat level base. This can be done by yourself or your builder, or we can take care of that for you. And we have a variety of options we use. The first is your concrete base, which is great when you need to get your building as low as possible, where you've got uneven ground, for example. That's not always possible. Sometimes the ground is on slopes, and sometimes people just don't want to put a lot of concrete into their garden. So for that purpose, we've designed the deck-based system, which relies on fully recycled plastic posts, which are concreted into the ground, and then we have a very sturdy pressure-treated timber subframe which sits on top, and that supports the building.